So hello everyone. We are here with our alumni of batch 2022 to 2024. Uh, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Vansh, graduate of batch 2024.
Hello, myself Raj. I am from MBA IB batch 24.
Hi, I'm Yashi, alumni of Batch 24. Hi, Alka this side, alumni of Batch 24.
Hi, Shubham this side, and I'm from batch 2024.
Great, thank you. So now I will ask once by to withdraw a chit from this. It will contain a random question. Let's see what the question is.
The question is, what motivates you the most in attending the annual alumni dinner? Okay, an interesting one. So MBA is a journey where you make a new family away from your existing one. So my kick for joining the dinner today was definitely to rekindle the old memories with my friends.
Definitely.
It is just like a family member that I'm meeting today, and no matter who the person is, whether we were in the same committee or club or not, it is definitely a great experience to you know uh, go through all those memories and kind of reminisce.
And now we'll ask Rajbhai.
Okay. So,
I'll read out the question for you. How did you personally decide which MBA college was right for you?
so I applied for only two colleges despite having call from several IMs because I was actually a government exam aspirant. But when I visited the North Campus, I saw the beautiful people and the atmosphere was very light and cool. So I decided that this is the place I want to do my MBA because the exposure which you get in, especially in Delhi School of Economics, is unmatchable. You meet several people. If I talk about my experience, uh, I used to live with very beautiful people in my flat. There were 8 people sharing a common flat. Uh, there is a lot of diversity. Out of 7, 6 were engineers from NITs and different colleges. So you learn a lot. This kind of diversity, I guess, only this Delhi School of Economics can provide.
So, like it's been some months you have been in corporate. So, do you miss those days?
Absolutely. I am here to meet my old friends only because the love and connection which I made during those were indeed the two best years of my life. And unfortunately, my some of my close friends are not here because they are in Mumbai, Bangalore, somewhere. I miss all my flatmates here.
We can see that. And we are hoping we'll meet them in the next alumni
Yeah,
meet.
sure.
So, I'll ask Yashi to draw a chit. I can read it out for you. The question is, how did DSE shape your perspective on life?
Uh, so DSC definitely shaped my perspective in a positive manner. So as we all know that there are a lot of MBA colleges in India, be it IIMs or any other college. So getting into DSC is a different experience compared to other MBA colleges since our fees is a bit less and we are a more student driven college. So we organize all these events ourselves with group support. So I believe that DSE helped me in learning how to organize such interesting events. I was part of the convention committee, so we organized erudition, and I was also part of Constat. So I learned how to organize these events and manage these events since we are a more student driven college. So yeah, and apart from that, I also made a lot of friends here. So I learned the importance of friendship. Like I believed that in MBA we can't have good friendships since it's a post grad. But after coming here, I realized that in MBA also we can have a lot of good friends and good bonding and companionship here. Yeah, so that is it.
Great, great. Thank you. We'll ask you to withdraw a chit.
Yeah.
So, I can read the question out for you. So, the question for you is, could you give us some tips for building a strong professional network while in college?
While in college. Yeah, it's a tough one, but yeah. So at my college, I was also in alumni committee.
So alumni committee helped me a lot to build connections in professional life as well, which are which are useful nowadays also. Like those alumni whom I was connected in my college days, so they are like being connected through my professional life also. So yeah, building connections through the college is like you should join various committees and sales. This will help you a lot.
Indeed.
Yeah, and apart from that, you should be like open to open to form new connections. Like some people are like when people come to colleges, they are like more introvert, but when they are in MBA colleges, they are like they build connections. They are more they become extrovert. So I saw those kind of people also who just come as an introvert and they just became extrovert while passing out from the college. So yeah, so basics are you should join various committees which will help you a lot to build up connections, which is helping me now also.
Indeed, I'm right now in college, and the same thing is going on with me. I'm also connecting with seniors, alumni of my club and committees.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's why I'm saying ki you should join various committees and clubs. This will help you a lot because TSC is like a college which is totally student driven. So you are doing various events and all. So this will help you a lot to build connections, and this will help you in professional life also. So yeah.
Thank you, Olga. Now I'll ask Shubham Bhai to draw a chit. I can read the
I'll
question
do it.
out. Okay, great.
So the question is, what were some significant personal challenges you faced when you joined college? Adaptability is the one thing. Then bonding over friendships, that is very important. And apart from attending classes, the personal time that you give to your peers, that helps a lot, to be honest. And significant challenges that I faced, coping up with time, and DSE being a very lenient college, we have a lot of time, and
Indeed.
I know, actually,
I think
and
everyone will agree on this point.
manage. So the very first thing is time management. तो आराम से कर लेते हो आप, and which you find tough when you join corporates, because there when you join as a fresher, life it
Become
sucks,
hectic.
right? And time management is one thing I think.
Okay, great. One more thing. I know you guys from last year, and I saw you guys had a blast in college. So, how is corporate treating you with respect to that? How is the fun in jobs, your respective jobs, wherever you are?
पहले क्या था कॉलेज में हम खुद अपने बॉस थे, अब हमारे ऊपर काफी सारे बॉसेस हैं, तो things are not the same, and but we all exist in a parallel world I guess, and that's where life is.
I am under two bosses. like,
Okay, that's
yeah,
double the pressure.
it's like double pressure. So I am very relaxed right now because I am on a 10 days holiday. So I'm very relaxed right now. So I'm under a regional head. Then my boss is different. So it's a very different thing.
It's very hectic compared to college.
It's very hectic. It's very hectic actually. So yeah, college was very good. So now we are realizing that वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे that time. Those days were very good. So yeah, but initially you have to like you have to you have to earn for living, so you have to go in corporate. So yeah, but yeah, so it's going. We are going with the flow, so it's good like that.
We are also looking forward to that, and lots of the students who are watching that. So Yashi, what about your experience?
I think Shubham summed it up pretty well. He was right about being our own bosses before, and now we have our own bosses. So I believe that earlier we used to have a lot more time than now. Our schedule wasn't as fixed. There were a lot of different things happening. As of now, in our job, different things happen, but we do have to, do the 9 to 5 thing. So yeah, it's very different and more routine compared to before. Yeah.
What about you, Rajbhai?
When you join any corporates after right from the college, the first question you always ask to yourself that whether I am living a robotic life or this is called disciplined life. There is always dilemma in the mind. But I guess for the initial few months, because we all everyone has discussed that DSE life was relatively chill compared to other colleges. So yeah, initial months were tough, but now things are on track. but still I am managing my own hangover in the office.
So, okay. Yes, yes, definitely.
The one challenge that I faced is आपको सबके साथ जेल अप करके रखना पड़ता है, राइट? कॉलेज में ऐसा नहीं था, नहीं अच्छा लगता, नहीं अच्छा लगता. Office politics, you should be a part of that, but sometimes you should ignore as well, because रात में आप अकेले ही होते हैं and nobody is there to make your mind right, and जिनसे नहीं बनती उनसे ही बना के रखनी पड़ती है, which is the most toughest part, I think, कि जेल अप करके रखना लोगों से, and वो जिसका होता है that is very good.
You cannot choose there, right?
हाँ?
You cannot choose.
You don't have the right to choose, right? आपकी टीम है, it's all the manager who decides कि हाँ भाई ये तो
We are adulting now. We are adulting now. Earlier we were students. Now we are actually.
Yeah, that's
you know,
what called adulting is.
Yeah.
That's what adulting is, right? So I think we all will agree on that point that DSC life was very chill, very relaxed, right? And
College life is best.
college life is best, right? And now you have to adapt in the professional life. You will find difficult in some initial days, but you will find it better, I think, after some point.
we get used to it.
You will get used to it, right? Thank you, Rajbhai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all the alumni here.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.